CCTV Lone Rashapi daga Frank Motors Kajaka dekali ga bathamai jong Tata Motors halat ko ni Shillong ringkat bakanet foodish ordal mapi nginwan ramani hakir dobyeng jongpi
Ka tanat pulet jong Bhoi district minta Sngi klasimenta ban Rakhe ya ka Sngi Pyrshah Droks ni ka International Day Against Drugs Abuse and Illicit Trafficking ha District Library Auditorium ban rat dingkhong ya Droks bat Jingdi bua bala jilai ha kini Sngi khamtam bon ki khon samla ki sha pengop hau tayu Jingdi pen bua ya kini jing Rakhe las dangru da ka Jingïaid rally nadu madan paham sim hadu office jong deputy commissioner bala simentaru de ki khna school per ka tha nong po ringkat ki pulet ki bara ru ki plakat ban pertasla halor ka jingma jong Droks bat don kam ban rat ding khong khamtam ba ki khon samla ki di ban ong em ya Droks ha ka te Sngi la wan ru ban simenta da uba MB Tongper additional deputy commissioner ka Bhoi district Giri Prasad SP Bhoi district ba S Pasleng DSP headquarter Kong E Kharchandi DSWO ba Ardhar SDSEO TS Sangma DMHO bat kiwi ki officer ha ka jingdon lang ki khna school bat kinoi kai
To live a life without drugs and alcohol, regardless of peer pressure. I would like to go to and learn without being interrupted by the problems of drugs and alcohol. I pledge not to use drugs, alcohol, or cigarettes because I can make my dreams come true if I stay drug-free and believe in myself. I pledge to learn about the harms of drugs and to educate my peers the truth about the harmful effects of drugs. I pledge to set a good example.
She said you drop a pilango. Ha ahor kakti pinam jalo. Ya uman tiap at ban seal. Kikloy wat ban shim ni kajing embryo. Un pendut ya, un pendut dem. Jingkor det uhanra hayeng hasan. Kaperkhat kaperdanru kanom biang shu. Ban yo ya u kin thak kin shukor bat kin tu. Hato pikot se bagi beliau kin shiki kin shash kakrape kupatai bhabinape hey ho samla kin tension ram kyam nu drop hot get hodam ban lat na ka apat sepsni papin long beliau la shai la shisni kumi ko pa himmet para ku jat bin rio kasi khara nang nishi kumat ngin tili just new drop in yakli
Lakhs of adolescents and about 18 lakhs of adults over the world that are suffering from some kind of drug abuse or alcoholism. And obviously, for the data from national data, we see that about 40% of those adolescents have even tried some kind of form of tobacco alcoholism even before the age of 14 years. So that's 14 years is a very young age. Drug abuse is a harmful substance. It's a use of a harmful substance. When taken or entry into one body can affect the multiple processes or other, like your physical well-being also. The signs and symptoms may vary upon from different kind of things that you take. In the beginning, we have we have put it into three types of categories. One, when we start doing experimenting. One we do is occasional use. And third is like a very adaptive phase. So in the experimental phase is like for young people, we're seeing like it's like kind of a peer pressure. We want to show us like a form of like growing up. who are always like one become like another. That's how you express yourself. But it's not that way. In the beginning, you might feel it elevates your mood, you feel better. But in due course of time, it started taking it frequently. That's when they come to the frequent users. It started showing such symptoms because you don't have enough money to go to satisfy your cravings. That's why you started stealing. So what I've told from my experience, they started stealing and go into bad habits or even quarrel with family members or your neighbors.
A lot of stigmatization happens when we know that when a person is addicted to these narcotic substances, and even in the family or in society or in schools, in institutions, we tend to ostracize them. I think that is that is a very dangerous thing to do. In fact, we need to give them a lot of support, and that's the only way how we can solve this problem. Unfortunately for us, especially the non school students, Northeast India lies very close to the Golden Triangle, and this is where a lot of drugs are being manufactured. In fact, India is precariously placed between the Golden Crescent in Afghanistan and the Golden Triangle. So a lot of drugs go through this area. And a lot of raw materials for drugs also go from this place to Southeast Asia and they come back. So if we are not prepared, if we are not aware, it is really catastrophic. And we've seen how how drugs damages lives, damages economies. How many of you have heard about Pablo Escobar? Any of you have heard about Pablo Escobar? Any of you? He's one of the greatest drug lords in Mexico. There are two cartels, the Medellin and the Cali cartel. He totally ravaged the economy in Mexico and by supplying drugs. And this affected everybody, right? Right from the grassroots of society up to the top. And this is a very dangerous thing. For us, we're lucky we have a very, very vigilant police force and and the other organizations, central organizations. Earlier I was with the customs. I was a customs officer earlier. So I had to deal with this firsthand. I was in the anti-smuggling branch. So we had to go to many places in the Northeast, and we seized a lot of drugs. So we saw firsthand the danger of these substances. And the most dangerous part, especially for students to know, is drugs is different from any other substances. Alcohol is there, but drugs is in a different zone altogether. Why? Because addiction to drugs, there's a particular substance in the brain called dopamine. Dopamine is a pleasure hormone. Dopamine is a pleasure hormone. If you do something nice, like if you sing, you dance or something, that's why we saw Anthony giving that, that beautiful recital, dance and song. The dopamine level in his brain shot up. It gives him pleasure. And for all of us who are watching this also, it gives us pleasure. We are clapping, we're giving a round of applause. Why? Because the level